Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Jamaica now faces the challenge of resisting overspending during upcoming elections, which could erode the gains of increased fiscal surplus and reduce debt levels since the pandemic. Local government elections are coming this year, with general election constitutionally due in 2025. However, there are institutional checks on overspending. Minister of Finance and Planning Dr. Nigel Clark said on Wednesday at the monthly forum hosted by Mabel Group. So how after a sudden Nigel Clark might think about overspending? Anytime I come to the people, anytime I come to the people, I always overspending and for them problem. But when it come to them not think that them are overspend. When it come to them, they not think that them are overspend too much for themselves. So what can them a money? You see him? They make sure that them gather the whole money so they can fund for them Labour Right Party. Yeah, I that them a try though. All I hear him a talk. Local government elections are coming this year, with the general election constitutionally due in 2025. Why not put no general election we are 2025 for? Me tell you something before, my viewers and subscribers, and one things a joke thing. Me say if you no go on Google and type in Google, when is Jamaica going to be republic? It tell you 2025 Jamaica is going to be republic. You think a joke? So local election coming this year. What I mean coming this year? This no seems like no election I go even go on. Cause next month no so come and all know they no set a date. Me really I wonder what happened. What is really going on? What is really going on? And then when I come chat about general election all the way 2025. No, general election if go on now 2025. General election for come this year too. No, damn 2025. Other day when time COVID did a spikes up. Other day when COVID spikes up 2020, Andrew Holness called general election. And he know say COVID was out. So me no know what the problem now. Like we not go and like say there is something like on the business about health. We not care about health. Cause that alone make me know say we not care about health. You see when Andrew Holness called the general election, my viewers and subscribers 2020, it made me realize that Andrew Holness do not care and love the people of Jamaica. Because if he did, he wouldn't call no general election. I think the people are idiot around here. Since when this man him have problem with overspending? I don't know who them a try trick. But tell me what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. 2 Jamaican men have been detained in the Cayman Islands after they arrived in the country by boat. The men reportedly arrived on the south shore of Grand Cayman on Thursday morning. So my viewers and subscribers, you know, sister Jamaica take boat to and go a different people place. You know see that too. So in the Haitians them take boat and a boat it to Jamaica. Everybody have problem and a lick out. See they now, see people up, see 2-man boat it gone over Cayman Island. I'm sure no say no like them if you put them on boat and send them back. I wouldn't turn them back. Nobody no want that. You understand me? Boy, one thing with Jamaican people, we're not easy, you know? We're not easy at all. Trust me. Me can't believe so them man you know. Take it up on themselves, go on boat and gone to Cayman Island. Suppose something did happen to you. Suppose something did happen to them. I tell you no, sir. So you see, this is what I said, and I said it before on my channel. People are lick out against the Haitians, them, and don't really understand what is happening. in Haiti. Like people actually losing their life. You understand? People actually scared. This is why people are fled. People are trying to leave and go anywhere they feel is safe. So I'm not saying here them for taking everybody, from Haiti. But so we have to help people. We have to, we have to try and help them. I know some enough people not agree with me. But remember, so we got people country same way too. And we wanna like them for kick we out. So enough we got people country. You understand? And then take we in same way. So I just saw it go. You get me? But them man wanna brave bad. That's one thing. Wanna brave bad. A witness saw sparks shooting from a cargo plane as it made an emergency landing at the Miami International Airport shortly after takeoff. The aircraft landed safely Thursday night after experiencing an engine malfunction soon after a departure. A spokesperson for Atlas Air said in a statement Friday the crew followed Ali standard procedures and safely returned to Mia. So, obviously, I say me and Miami. So, my viewers and subscribers know. Wanna see what good on? Wanna see what, listen, a people see, a witness saw sparks shooting from the cargo plane. So, basically, it's like them, basically, they see like fire gas. You don't know how we call it already. Fire gas from the plane. Just imagine that. Just imagine as a witness, this is something, you witness something like that. That must be so scary because more than feels like so scared for the people that were up on the plane. Like what really good on with Boeing 747 cargo plane. What really go on, you understand? But you know what? I thank God for their life and thank God so they land safely. It could have been worse. But I thank God everything was a success. But so now we have to do no checks properly. Why right now, you know, safe to travel on the plane, You know, safe to travel on the plane at all. You know, safe for the boat either. But the plane, Jaja, when you see something like this, it make a lot of people go start think now. You understand? Is the plane safe at this time? Is it safe to travel? You get me? I can't believe them something is still going in this century. I wonder what could have caused all this problem now. No, sir, but my viewers and subscribers, it is a good look. We just give God thanks so the plane lands safely and everybody good. Alright, so don't tell me what you think about this. Breaking news, my viewers and subscribers. Former People's National Party PNP Member of Parliament Julian Silveira has been charged with the murder of his wife Melissa Silveira. Jaja. Mighty God of Daniel. This a man really go kill his wife? Wow. What possess this a man so? That more than like to know. What possess this a man so, my viewers and subscribers? Jaja. Mighty God, I don't even know what to think. I'm just like think like about the situation. Somebody that you trusted turn your worst enemy. A wickedest thing that my viewers and subscribers. Somebody that people trust turn to be their enemy. And them are their enemy and they not even know. You understand? Jaja. But I just pass over the information. I couldn't know update I couldn't know what I want to right now. Then charge him. So I don't know the things go. Him I go straight prison. Straight prison I go. Straight prison. My viewers and subscribers, I really feel sorry for the kids. I really feel sorry for the children them. That's all. Really, no. Mother dead gone and no father no did it to support them. I really feel sorry. I don't know what was this man thinking. I don't know. But see now, him losing family because of his stupidity. But you tell me one thing still. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, taking Lisa Anna.
I mean, if you give a child a great education and they don't have the stress or the headache to wonder where it's going to be paid, then at least they can study and at least they can do well. And that's why I don't like people who steal people's animals. We live in a rural constituency and I'm the MP for a rural constituency and I grew up with my father being a farmer. And when you have a man with growing cow or a woman with grow a cow or a goat them to send them picnic to school and then somebody just can't thief it in the dead of night You steal the child's school fee, you steal the child's tuition, you steal their books. And so you have some little idiot people where come from different places, never work a day in their life and come teach people things. Don't come to my constituency and do it. Sure.
My viewers and subscribers, this is the reason why I like this lady so much. Some of them never work a day in their life. Real talk she just make. Never work a day in their life. And ready eye, greedy, and see people with them things. And don't know how them have to, what them have to do, how them have to go through and suffer for have them things, and then they come and take it away. Take it away just like that. And when they do things like that and steal people things, them take away them future. And it is so true. Because a whole heap of farmer, then go and then thief, then cow and then thief, then goat and then thief one bag of something. And when they do that, what happen when they do that? Yeah? Pitney then can't go to school. The pitney then have no money to go to school. This like, then steal them future, as I said before. You understand? This is why I always like this lady, because she always, I try to explain. You understand? She always try to break it down and explain to us so I have a more understanding of what is happening. And she's a lady when I always see. She always out in her constituency. I get on, I get on with the other, with the residents them and stuff like that. And it really break my heart when time people have them things and people ready eye and go stick up a man and take away a man thing. Sometimes they not even stick up a man, then just go and like a feed them and then come for. You get me? All them something, man, you need to stop. This is why I say the crime, violence, all of this need to stop. It just need to stop. We need to be more focused. We need to be more focused, my viewers and subscribers. We are one, we are one black people. We need to come together and unite more. But the thing is, there's no love. Yeah, man. And no love the people them not have. No love in their heart. And through them not have no love in their heart, it's hard for them. You understand? It's like them carry grievance and and be more hateful and carry this hatred against people. Sometimes for no reason. Sometimes you're not even do nobody don't and the way you uplift yourself and and you're full of ambition, then just hate you, then just grudge you, then just jealous of you, and just come and just feel like them if you take away your things. No, man, you need to cut out them dirty style there. Yeah, man, them style they need to cut out straight. But my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think. Well, Lisa Anna say, put on an honest opinion in the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.